In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Capcut without using TikTok. If you finished editing your masterpiece on Capcut and you're wondering how to share it directly within the app, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, you're going to want to have your project open in Capcut, and of course it should be fully edited to your liking. Take a moment to double check everything, perhaps give it one final run through to ensure the music is synced, the transitions are smooth, and the colours are just right. Once you're happy with how it looks, we're ready to proceed. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the export button. Give it a tap. This is the step where your video is processed and bundled into a neat little package ready to be shared with the world. Now, once the export is complete, the app usually offers a few options for sharing. If the option appears, tap on Share to Capcut. This is where you can post directly to the Capcut community, allowing other users of the app to see and appreciate your work without the need to go through TikTok. When you choose to share to Capcut, you'll be prompted to add further details to your post. This is your chance to give your video a catchy title that will grab attention, a description for context, and maybe some hashtags to help categorize your creation. While hashtags are optional, they can be a great tool for reaching a wider audience, so consider adding a few relevant ones that relate to your video's content. Once you've entered all these details and you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and tap Post. Doing this uploads your video to the Capcut community where others can view, comment on, and even share your work. It's much like sharing on other social media platforms, but right here within Capcut's own ecosystem. Keep in mind there are a couple of prerequisites. To post, you'll need to have a Capcut account and be logged into it. Also, it's worth noting that not all regions currently support in-app posting, so if you don't see the option to share to Capcut, this might be the reason. It's always good to keep your app updated, as these features can become available with new releases. And that's it, you've successfully posted your video on Capcut without needing to detour through TikTok. It's a straightforward process once you know how, and I hope this walkthrough helped clarify it for you. Happy editing and sharing.